How can you represent shapes in 2 and 3 dimensions? We will need clay or condo or cushion, and toothpicks or sticks. Show learners pictures or actual objects of 2D and 3D shapes. Guide learners to model the shapes using the toothpicks as edges and pieces of cushion, clay or condo as joints. Have learners compare the attributes of the 3D shapes and those of the 2D shapes. Consider guiding learners to count the number of edges, corners, and faces. The 3D shapes will be elevated above the surface, while the 2D shapes will be flat on the surface. Relatively, more materials will be used in modeling the 3D shapes than the 2D shapes. 2D shapes occupy an area on a plane while 3D shapes occupy a volume of space. The elevation of the 3D shape is the height. Identify the surface, edges, and joints of objects in the classroom and compare them to those of your models.